If you're a new affiliate marketer and you understand these rules, you're definitely gonna succeed. Now, my name is the infamous Joel, and I've made multiple six figures in affiliate marketing. And if you're new to this channel, your boss hates me because I show you how to live a life of freedom, passion, and fulfillment. And if you're infamous too, make sure you subscribe to this channel. Now, let's go. Now, the way these rules are gonna work, they're not in any particular order. I'm not doing like a countdown thing. So when I say like, here's a rule, one's not more important than the other. These are just basic rules. These are like the commandments of all affiliate marketing. You're new to affiliate marketing, right? You don't want to break any of these rules, and I'm dead serious. The minute that you break any of these rules, you're done. Okay, you might as well just, go get a job at McDonald's or something. I don't know what you want to do, but you have to follow these rules or you're not going to succeed, period, point blank. I've had a lot of experience in this space. Not only have I built to multiple six figures myself as an affiliate, but I mentored and coached other people to multiple six figures, even seven figures as an affiliate marketing coach. So I know the rules you have to follow 100%. And if you follow these rules, you will succeed. You will get the kind of passive income, the kind of lifestyle that you want. If you don't, good night, sayonara, it's over, okay? So I want to make that clear, okay? So let's get into these rules. Rule number one, and again, they're in no particular order. Do not depend on courses. I know there's 1,000,001 courses out there, and I'm not just trying to pitch you my thing because we have the affiliate franchise. I'm very proud of it. It's a franchise model where we do a lot of the hard work for you and we walk you through the entire business step by step. But whether it's me or someone else, I don't really care. There's no point of me trying to make you buy my thing. We're doing really, really well, okay? It's fine. But you want to get a mentorship, you want to get a coach, you want to get someone who's on the sideline with you, someone who's there to call out the plays. Just imagine you go into a sport, any sport, football, basketball, baseball, doesn't matter, and you don't have a coach on the sideline who's able to kind of direct you and show you what to do, tell you where to go and what to do next, what your next steps are. Remember, you're brand new to this, and chances are you've never started and built a business before in your entire life. So imagine going at it all on your own. Imagine trying a sport for the first time all on your own. Imagine being in the game and trying to read everything that's going on and figuring out what the next move you should make is all on your own. Unless you have years and years and years of experience doing it already, being brand new and depending on a course or something where it's like do it yourself and like an ebook or something, and it's like, here's what to do, now go do it. You're still going to be left on your own. You're still going to have a lot of questions. Things are inevitably going to pop up. Things are inevitably going to be out of date or out of sync, or you don't understand it, or it doesn't make any sense to you. And if there's nobody there to guide you and answer your questions, you're going to be really, really, really lost, and you're not going to enjoy yourself, okay? Rule number two, once you start, do not stop. I can't stress that enough. I've coached so many people, and not everybody succeeds because you can only lead a horse to water, can't force them to drink. It's not possible to force everyone to succeed because most people they start to make their commissions, and then they have this weird freak out moment. I don't know what it is. In all my time and all my years, I think it's like a fear of success. They start to make some money online. They start to see those income statements kind of hitting their bank account, and they're saying, oh my God, this is real. I can really scale this to 10, 15, 20K per month. And then they just freak out. I don't know what happens. They go back to their old life. It's almost like the identity is pulling away at them, right? The identity is like, I don't deserve this. This isn't me. It kind of reminds me, it's like shades of when people hit the lottery and they have a whole bunch of money all at the same time. They freak out and then they go broke in the next 2-3 years, right? They just start spending it all away. I've coached so many people, hundreds of people doing this affiliate marketing stuff, and I can tell you, I can get them to the place where they're starting to make money, but you really have to have the mindset to push through. A lot of people think you have to have the mindset when you're failing. No, that's one thing, sure. But you have to have the mindset that when you have a mentor, when you have a coach and someone's walking you through it and you start to make the money, do not give up. Do not freak out and think, oh my God, what do I do? This is overwhelming. No, this is just the new you. This is the new normal. You have to train your mind to understand that, yes, I do deserve abundance. Yes, there's nothing wrong with me making money online, securing my family's life, all that stuff, okay? Be used to it before you go into it, and train yourself to do not stop. If you're gonna go in, go 100% in. Don't go halfway in. Don't try. Don't, oh my God, I'll dip my toe in the water, and if I don't like it, I'll go over here. If you dabble, if you're iffy a little bit, if you're unstable, if you're not 100% committed, then you're gonna fail. Because the minute that you start moving in the right direction, you're gonna feel this pull to just go back to your old life, your old comfortable ways, right? So keep the momentum going. Once you start, keep going. You get your first few income, screenshots and hitting your bank account and those nice dings that everybody wants. You get your first few commissions. Just keep going. It's no big deal, okay? Don't freak out about it. It's normal. And once you start making commissions, just make it your new normal, okay? That being said, I don't want to ramble about that too much. Let's go into rule number 3. Rule number 3 is pick one platform and master it. Master it, master it, master it. Like I said, I've coached so many people over the years, and I've coached people that have been doing affiliate marketing for 10, 15, sometimes 20 years, and they've gotten nowhere. They've made nothing. And when I ask them, well, what's your strategy? How do you get leads? So, like, what does your whole business look like? And they say, well, I'm on YouTube, I'm on Pinterest, I'm on TikTok, I'm on blogging, I'm on Facebook, I'm on Instagram, I'm on and I'm like, holy crap. Like, I have a multiple six-figure business. I have 2 multiple six-figure businesses, and I'm mainly just on Facebook and YouTube, and that's it. And I even feel like my time is being split in half. My time is being pulled away from me a lot of times. I'm really, really busy. But I can imagine someone just beginning, hasn't even made their first penny yet, and you're everywhere trying to do everything. So most beginners start off in affiliate marketing and they have way too many moving parts going on at the same time. Do not do that, okay? Pick one platform. And when I say platform, what I mean is, if you're gonna do affiliate marketing on TikTok, do affiliate marketing on TikTok until you get to 6 figures. That's it. Don't nothing else. Focus on one thing at a time. Do affiliate marketing on Facebook, do blogging, do whatever it is. 100% just one, nothing else, okay? It takes so much time, energy, and effort just to master one thing. And when you spread yourself thin and you're trying to be everywhere and omnipresent all at once, and you're just a beginner and you don't have a team, good luck with that, okay? That's guaranteed you're gonna fail. Now let's get into rule number 4. Rule number 4 is to have a strategy of paid ads and organic marketing together. A lot of times you hear gurus teach you either do paid ads or do organic. Organic means free marketing, getting free leads, free eyeballs on your content, and do either or. Yeah, there's like either or mentality. But in the affiliate franchise, we set you up with a system that's both organic and paid ads. They feed into each other. The paid ads help to grow your organic presence in a hyper inflated, crazy fast way. Okay, you want to have both at the same time. It's your paid that feeds into your organic that feeds into your paid. You're making money from your organic, you're able to reinvest in the ads, and which in turn grows your organic even faster, and so on and so on and so on. Okay, that's how we're able to get people like someone I'm going to interview here on this channel in about a week or two. One of our star people, Angelo, who just made $3,000 in his first 2 weeks with us, okay? And the reason for that is, unlike any other program, we're teaching you organic and paid together. Doesn't matter if you have a small budget for paid ads, that's okay. You can start with $2 to $5 a day, building out your entire system. Any business needs to be a system. Once your business becomes, well, I'm self-employed, I just do everything all on my own, and 100% of the time I'm working on it, 8 hours, 10 hours a day, you have a second job. A lot of affiliate marketing gurus teach you the wrong way, but the main reason they teach you that is because they want you to become their employee. They want you to turn around and start selling their stuff. Legendary Marketer, Morrison, all those people, they want you to become their employee. That's what they're doing. Okay, they tout affiliate marketing, but really what they're doing is they're getting you to do all the dirt, all the grunt work, and go out there and bust your butt and tell your friends and family and share your affiliate link all over the place. John Cristani, all those people, that's what they're trying to do. Okay, so they're trying to get you to trade your time for money at your job and switch over to trade your time for money working for them. Okay, which in turn makes them really, really rich. Okay, but real affiliate marketing and the right system, the right way to do it, you want to set it up to be set it and forget it, passive income. So you need to have organic content and paid advertising that feeds into the organic content so that you can set it up once and really just check in like once or twice a week, that's a real business. A business needs to be a cash flowing system that operates without you. If it's not that, there's a huge problem. Start raising red flags, start asking questions. What is this? Why am I doing all this work? That's not good. Okay, so we teach both paid and organic running at the same time, feeding into each other. Now, rule number 5, and I want to say last but not least, there's probably some other rules, but I gotta say these are just the key rules. Okay, these are the big 5 that I can't stress enough. Number 5 is do high ticket affiliate marketing. And I have a lot of people who join the program and say, well, what's high ticket? What should I promote? High ticket depends on the niche, okay? It depends on what it is you're trying to promote, what it is you're trying to sell. For example, I'll give you an example. If you go to Walmart and you buy a pair of jeans, it's probably like $20, $30, $40 max, right? That's like the vast majority of jeans out there, okay? The vast majority of the stuff people buy, the typical price point for the thing that you're selling, that's like average, okay? That's like low ticket, basically. That's like what it is. Now, if you go a step above that, if you go to get luxury, like premium brand name jeans, they're like 100, 200, maybe more than that, right? So just think that. Just think outside the box and think, okay, what would a premium offer for this niche be? Okay, so if you're selling like a dating thing, like eHarmony is going to be low ticket because everybody uses that. But maybe there's like a dating coach out there who's like world renowned, who's like a best-selling author, and they have like a course or something, or they have like a program where they help people find their absolute like number one perfect fit in life. Well, maybe they charge like $5,000, $10,000 for their services. You can be an affiliate for their program and they pay you $2,000 per sale or something like that. But that's a premium program. That is a premium offer. So that would be considered high ticket. It's not high ticket is based off how fast someone can get the result. If someone is paying for a course off ClickBank that helps them do XYZ, taking a course takes a really long time, right? So trying to get the result that way versus like a service, like an agency, a coaching program, a consulting program, a speaking event, sometimes masterminds. You can be an affiliate for a lot of different things. Even physical products, you can be an affiliate, but just think what kind of physical products out there are like top tier, like super high ticket, that will make me a lot of money as commissions. There's also travel packages, hotels, flights. Like think, what are premium offers and where are the premium buyers? Once you figure out premium buyer language, how to make your funnels, how to make your content, how to attract people who have money and want to spend it on premium luxury high ticket things, you're actually basically, that's a cheat code. You're actually skipping ahead of the line of all the other affiliate marketers out there who are wasting their time selling $10, $50 stupid things, knickknacks and paddywhacks. You don't want to do that. You want to be the next level. You want to be the premium affiliate who's attracting those high ticket, high brow, high society types of people. That's how I was able to go from 0 to 6 figures in just 8 months. Okay, because I was focusing on super profitable products and services. It was a lot easier. Once I banged my head against the wall trying to sell ClickBank stuff, and I figured out, hey, the premium services, not only do those people want to buy this stuff, they have a lot of money. Okay, so attract those people, build your affiliate business around that. And again, inside the affiliate franchise, that's exactly what we set you up with. We don't want you to go out there and sell low ticket stuff. Now, that being said, I'm the infamous Joel, and I'm out.